Hey guys, I want to talk to you about this organic black seed oil that I got 3 weeks ago. And for 3 weeks, I already noticed a difference. And all I had to do was just take 1 teaspoon a day of this black seed oil. And you could also use it externally, which was quite surprising for me because I didn't know you could actually use, an oil out there, directly in the skin besides coconut oil that would be absorbed and make a difference. But it does, because it made my skin so soft, and it just gave it so many vitamins and natural minerals that the skin needs to absorb, and it feels soft and healthy. And the great part about it is that it absorbs pretty darn quick, and when I ingest it internally, I get a lot of energy. My hair is much better, my skin is much better. It's an amazing oil that I totally recommend that any of you out there would use. Okay. Now, this derived the seeds from it dates back over 3,000 years that the ancient Egyptians and the Greeks and the Romans used to use this. So this is a very potent and powerful oil, as you can see. So I totally recommend it. Get yours now. It's called the Organic Black Seed Oil. Okay, here it is.